Parking is now even easier than ever before. With the remote control of Intelligent Park Assist, the car can park itself, even without the driver inside. After activating the Intelligent Park Assist, tap the phone icon in the infotainment, get out of the car, and activate Remote Park Assist in the MyŠkoda app. Tap Start Parking and confirm, then tap and hold the Park button in the app to keep the car moving. If you let it go, the parking process will stop for safety reasons. The car can now park itself, moving backwards and forwards as necessary. Blocked in a parking spot? Use the Remote Park Assist to get your car out. Tired of parking in the same spot again and again? Train your car to do it for you. Park your car, then go to the Park Assist menu to save the maneuver. Pick a name and icon for this parking spot to help you easily recognize it. Next time, the car will automatically offer to park itself. Just tap Start, then the phone icon to begin. Now you can exit your car. In the MyŠkoda app, tap Start Parking. Confirm, then watch the parking process and keep the car moving by holding your finger on the button. The car will repeat the parking maneuver as you did while watching the surroundings in case something has changed. Live smarter with Remote Park Assist.